Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create and manage Amazon Prime Video profiles. This is really useful if you're sharing your account with family members and want to keep everyone's watch history and recommendations separate. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and head over to primevideo.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After you've logged in successfully, you'll land on the Prime Video homepage where you can start managing your profiles. Now look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Hover your mouse over it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Manage Profiles. This will take you to the Profiles Management page where you can see all the profiles currently set up on your account. On this page, you'll see all existing profiles displayed. If you want to make changes to an existing profile, simply click on the profile you want to modify. This allows you to edit things like the profile name or viewing restrictions for that particular profile. But if you're looking to add a brand new profile, here's what you need to do. Hover your mouse over the profile icon in the upper right corner again, then select Manage Profiles from the drop-down menu. This brings you back to the same Profiles Management page we were just on. Now you'll see an option that says Add New. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll begin the process of creating your new profile from scratch. Next, click on Create Profile to proceed to the Setup page. Here, Amazon Prime Video will ask you to specify what type of profile you want to create. You'll see two options, Adult or Kid. The Kid profile has built-in parental controls and age-appropriate content filtering, while the Adult profile gives full access to all content. Select the option that fits your needs, then click Continue. After that, you'll need to enter a name for this new profile in the designated field. This could be a family member's name or something like work account or guest, whatever makes sense for how you're organizing things. Once you've entered the name, click Save Changes to finalize the creation of your new profile. The profile will now appear alongside your other profiles, and you can switch between them anytime by clicking on the profile icon, and there you have it. You've successfully created and managed your Amazon Prime Video profiles, giving everyone in your household their own personalized viewing experience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.